The Galaxy S24 series is expected to be announced in mid-January before going on sale in February. However, based on recent speculation and leaked renders, it appears that the S24 Ultra will not only adopt a titanium shell, as Apple did with the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. According to a leak received by Windows Report, Samsung is going all out with its color line for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It comes in 4 distinct colors that complement its redesigned body. While the black, gray, and violet versions are extremely modest and characteristic of the Galaxy line, they should come in titanium black, gray, and yellow. The Galaxy S24 Ultra may include a titanium frame, according to speculations from October. Based on those renders, we believe it's fairly safe to conclude that Samsung is leaning towards titanium being the way of the world for just the Ultra. It was unclear if this would apply to all Galaxy phones or just the top-of-the-line Ultra. Aluminum should fit the contour of the S24 and S24 Plus, while it was rumored in August on leaks that the Galaxy S24 Ultra might ditch its curved display in favor of a flat screen with a rounded frame. Since 2014's Galaxy Note Edge, the curved screen has been a hallmark of the line, but not everyone has been a fan of it. The curvature reduces the functional screen size and distorts items along the edges of the display, resulting in a worse experience than if it was just flat, as it presently appears to be. Since those phones are almost probably going to be cased in aluminum, the standard Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus should receive 4 colors as well, all of which match its more costly sibling. The colors will be onyx black, marble gray, cobalt violet, and amber yellow. They don't appear as spectacular in their renders as the titanium-based S24 Ultra's images, but we won't be able to make a meaningful comparison until they're introduced in January. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.